If you're great, they gonna hate. Ha. Yeah. What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppyblasted coming at y'all with another banger, man. Hey, look. Coming at y'all with an update, man. Baldhead PB, Scalp PB. But I know a lot of you guys are, looking for updates. First thing first, before I start the video, make sure you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new tuning in. Also, hit that bell. That way you'll get notified, man. Highlight that bell. That way you'll be notified. Every time I drop a video, you will get notified and you will watch the video. Because I'm going to be giving y'all updates. You feel me? So I figure like the kids did me a favor by scalping my hair, because then I finished it off. And then, now I have more content to shoot to you guys. You feel me? So I'm gonna be dropping, and it's fun. It's getting fun, bro. Cause today will be my first day brushing. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys the angles, my 720 wave angles, and everything. So take this journey with me, man. Look, I've been updating you guys also with the shorts here on this channel. If you guys didn't know, y'all can check out the shorts. I do post shorts at least 5 times a week. You feel me? Also, I post them on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing like updates on Instagram daily on Instagram. So if you guys are not on my Instagram, make sure you go to the Instagram right now. You see it right there. And go like the videos and go follow. You know what I'm saying? That way you can follow the journey with me everywhere on each platform. Also on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? I'm on TikTok as well. I'm putting it everywhere, bro. I'm trying to, really push this. You see what I'm saying? So if you guys want to follow the journey, follow the journey. Also, every week I will be posting like a full video update. Okay, full video updates, methods, all that. Everything I'm doing, pretty much, I'm gonna let you guys see it. Y'all gonna know, okay? Y'all know, man, I'm back to the old PB, bro. Like, I'm back brushing, I'm back, happy to brush. I wanna brush, I wanna, progress, I want all that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, it's time, bro. So, follow me and all that, man. You know what I'm saying, on Instagram and all that. Right now, I'm about to show you guys how my hair looking. It's growing like crazy, man. That new sauce got my hair growing, bro, like crazy. It's only on day 14. It's been 2 weeks, pretty much. I scalped 2 weeks ago. Okay, so showing you guys how my hair looking right now. Actually, I ain't gonna show you how my hair looking right now. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been using. I've been using this new sauce right here, man. This is a wash. This is the sauce, man. This is what I've been using. I think on day 2, day 3, I was using this right away. This new sauce and this new sauce. It's an oil. These two things, so you guys know, man, your hair grows from the root. So I like to get my hair healthy from the beginning, like straight from the root. You know what I'm saying? Your hairs get healthy from the root. I've been like practicing angles from the root. I've been really focusing on really hair health, because I don't want to have my hair growing. Y'all know I got coarse hair. So when you have coarse hair, your hair is more tangled, it's more rough, it don't look nice. You feel what I'm saying? So the goal is to use my products, man. These 2 new products that I will be dropping real soon. That's all I've been using, and my hair been growing like crazy. Been helping me with darkness in my hair, thickness, everything, man. My hair been looking very healthy. So those 2 products, a wash product, which I've been washing at least 3 times a week with this, and then this oil right here that I've been using pretty much every day, bro. You know what I'm saying? Put it in my hair, making sure my hair is more moisturized, doing my hot and cold method, towel method. Just, open up the pores with the hot towel, locking it in with the cold towel. You know what I'm saying? Really focusing on hair health, bro. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I'm looking, bro. This is how dark my hair look already that fast in 14 days. Come on, man. Like, this is crazy, bro. Dark and healthy. Don't just look dark. It don't look, you know what I'm saying? It's growing in. My hair looking real, like, you know what I mean? Dark and lovely, bro. You see it. Y'all see it. Look. This is only 2 weeks. We on day 14. I scalped March 10th. It's March, 24th, right? Yeah, March 24th right now. Yep. So, 2 weeks. That's how we looking in 2 weeks. I have been practicing on angles and shit. I have been practicing on angles, man. I have been, applying my products in the direction that I'm going. I've been applying my products, every way, pretty much like in a circular motion. So if I'm going 540, I'm going this way. I'm You know, I'm practicing on, you know, putting my products in, going certain ways, you know what I'm saying? Like, pretty much the way that I'm trying to train my hair, because you guys didn't know your hair grows from the root, bro. So I'm trying to tell you. So it's good to not only work on, you know, hair health, but also work on angles, but applying your product in your hair at angles. So that way you can go every time you applying it, you going the way that your hair actually grows, or the pretty much the angle that you wanna, you know, the pattern that you're going, you're applying it that way. So it's already getting it ready, and on top of that, it's like angle memory. So you're helping, you know what I'm saying, with not only hair health and everything, but angle memory. So that way you can remember exactly, you know, because, you know, I'm so used to going this way and this way. I ain't even used to going sideways, but now we sitting sideways. So, you know, my dog's back there tripping. What's she doing?
Are you gonna cut it out?
Nah, I'm keeping it in. What's she doing?
Too much.
Get her out of here.
I did. She peed on the floor right there.
Where?
Right on that rug.
On here?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Shit, whooped her ass.
She was doing. You didn't hear me in here fighting with her, trying to be quiet.
I ain't here. Anyways, man, we got a dog. My Bella, I don't know. It's like every time I'm doing something, she do that stuff for attention. Anyway, I'm gonna get to her later. So yeah, this is how I'm looking. So right now, pretty much that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about is what I'm doing, and finally, this is day 1 that I'm starting to brush. So this is day 14. Day 14 from the scalp. And since my hair is real dark and it's growing to the point where it's starting to really you know, grow like that, where I feel like it's time to brush. So this is my first time brushing, bro. I've been going with angles and messing around and stuff here and there, but I haven't been ragging up. So I'm about to really brush right now, show you guys the angles that I'm brushing my 720s, and then we're gonna rag up. All right. So I'm not gonna apply no products in my hair right now. All I'm gonna do is just hit angles. That's it. So we gonna hit angles together, bro. Live in action, man. I'm not cutting nothing out, nothing. We gonna go. Okay, so I'm just starting right here. So we going this way with it. My main focus is to close this crown right here. So that's another reason why I've been really focusing on putting that new secret sauce, man. So what it is pretty much is it's a hair oil. You know what I'm saying? I've been focusing on that new secret sauce, trying to close this crown right here, getting it ready, bro. Because when that crown sits, it grows the other way. Y'all know I got 2 crowns. If you guys didn't know, I got 2 crowns. One right here and one right here. So this crown right here grows this way. So since I'm going with this crown and I'm, you know what I'm saying, hitting the angle right here, it's going the opposite way from where it grows. So that's making it show more. You see what I'm saying? So now you see the line right there. That's why you see that line right there, because I'm going the opposite way from it growing. But I got to though, because that's the crown I'm trying to close. I'm going with this crown. This crown grows in this circular motion that I'm hitting, the angle. So that secret sauce been helping with closing that crown right there. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna close over. It's gonna wait. It's gonna take time though. So since I got 2 crowns, it's gonna take a long time. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, this is gonna be a journey, and this is really gonna be a task, because as my hair grows, even when I get a cut, I can't even really cut that spot, because if I do, then my second crown gonna be exposed, because it's you feel me? So this is crazy, but I ain't tripping though, bro. We you know, I needed some shit like this, bro. It's because I was getting tired of like waving, bro. And it was, you know what I'm saying? So I needed to do something, bro, to make it fun again. So this thing gonna get right here. This way be coming right here with it. Damn. Be quiet, Fancy. Come around. Next time we put them outside. I can't even do a video with these dogs. Come this way. Come on. Oh, it feels good to be brushing again. Also, I can help the people who got 2 crowns too. Like, I don't mind making stuff hard, bro. I don't mind if stuff gonna be hard. Like, at the end of the day, I was born with 2 crowns. And like, if you got a 2nd crown too, man, I'm giving you guys hope. So, you guys follow this journey with me. Take this journey with me, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be documented forever, so, you know, I'm giving the people with 2 crowns hope. So I don't mind when stuff be hard, bro. Like, I like when stuff hard anyways, to be honest, bro. You know, nothing comes easy, bro. Well, sometimes stuff comes easy, but see I'm coming around. You know what I'm saying? Coming around. Is it me or do I see ripples already coming in, bro, in one day? Like, low key, this is gonna be my first day ragging up too. Like I said, I've been still applying my products this way. You know what I'm saying? I've been still messing around with angles and everything. I still mess around with angles, you feel me? Like, what I mean by messing around with angles is putting this brush out, which is the PB Go brush, soft brush. Also, I'm using all my products, bro. I mean, come on. Come on, man. So I want to be the testimony, bro, of, you know what I'm saying? Just showing you guys, feel me, from the beginning, using only my stuff, from scratch with a bald head, how to get waves, bro. You know what I'm saying? How to get 720s, bro. Using only my stuff. No Murrays, no nothing. Just my natural shit. You know what I'm saying? My natural shit. See? Make these non-believers believers, man. Even the haters that come here just to be hating. You know what I'm saying? Because if we great, that's what they're going to do anyway. Y'all know that. That's the slogan forever. But, yeah, see, my hair growing crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, obviously it's hard to brush filming at the same time because I'm gonna brush this way. I brush this way, to be honest, like this. But for the sake of the video and for you guys to be able to see better and get a better vision, see, I'm coming like that. When you use 720s, it gotta go this way. Everything gotta be vertical. So it gotta be this way instead of this way. You see what I'm saying? So, just trying to get the foundation and everything. The foundation already, as you see, as you can see, is already trying to slant. You know, my hair grow all type of different ways too. So my hair is gonna be stubborn. You're gonna have a lot of stubborn areas because my hair don't naturally grow this way. It grows like that from the crown, but then it don't grow all the way around that way. So that means it's gonna be more of a challenge. You gonna have stubborn areas because your hair is fighting to grow its natural way when you forcing it to go another way. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I start from the beginning, from like you. What I'm trying to say is it's very important to pretty much watch your hair as it's growing from the scalp, bro. Like day 2, day 3, everything. You watching your hair and you're already getting it prepared. You're already using natural hair products. You're already, you know, getting it, you know, prepared for, you know, the pattern that you prefer. Because obviously you already know what pattern you're going for when you scalp. You already got an idea. You like, oh, I'm gonna do this. So you seeing that like certain areas of your hair, how it grow. You seeing how your crown. That's how you notice. That's how I figured I got 2 crowns because I saw it. I was looking, paying attention, and starting from from like the beginning. A lot of people just, I'm scalping and I'm just I'm gonna wait till for a whole month, then I'm brushing my hair. That's cool if you wanna do that, but if you got coarse hair like us, bro, you know what I'm saying, that my hair is not naturally like looking, my hair is naturally nappy, bro. So, since I cut off all my hair, bro, when my hair was growing back, it was gonna grow back how my natural hair look, which is nappy. So I'm already treating my hair and my scalp early before it even start to grow. So that way when it's growing to be healthy. You see what I'm saying? So when my hair start to really show, it starts showing dark. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have light spots in certain areas, all types of shit. Like, you notice a lot of stuff. That's why it's very important to pay close attention to how your hair grow in certain areas of your head. Like, really, it's like really a diagram, bro. Like, I'm writing diagrams. I'm really serious about this. But yeah, that's the angles I'm brushing right now, man. I'm about to throw this do-rag on. Before that, use this plastic bag. You know what I'm saying? We'll hit him with the plastic bag too. And I'm gonna throw a do-rag on, bro. This is the first time me throwing a do-rag on. I've been doing hot and cold methods and everything too. I've been doing like hot oil treatments and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys all that. But right now, I just wanted to show you guys the angles I'm brushing and me putting on a do-rag. I've been doing hot oil treatments and all that and not putting a do-rag on. Like I said, just scalp treatment, that's it. You know, scalp treating. I ain't really been worried about nothing else, bro. Now, it's time to treat your scalp, which is going to help, you know, with hair growth, so that way you can start brushing. That's why I'm brushing already in 2 weeks. My head's sore, nigga, but hey, it's cool. You gotta do what you gotta do. Scalp treating early, then when you brush, now it's time to train. So scalp treating and training is very important. That's what I'm doing. Scalp treating and training. Right now. Scalp treating and training, bro. So anyways, I'm gonna try to start. I'm going to every Sunday, man. Y'all look out for an upload, all right? Every Sunday, y'all look out for an upload, all right? So y'all stay tuned. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, man. Follow me on TikTok as well. I got, you know, if I'm not on here, I'm over there, bro. I'm posting over there every day. I'm posting weekly updates here, though. And I'm posting also here, too. I am posting what I'm posting on Instagram as well. As far as my reels, not reels, but my shorts. But if you guys didn't know, on here it only allows you to, for your shorts, only is 1 minute. So if you see my short, it don't show you the whole video. My short is longer. My video is longer. So that way you can watch the whole, so if you watch the short, nigga, and it cuts you off, you're like, damn, I want to watch the full one. Go to my Instagram, I'll post the reel on there. So that way you can check out the whole video over there. YouTube only, shorts only allow you to post 1 minute. My video probably like 1minute and 30 seconds. So you can watch the whole video on Instagram over there. All right, that's it for the video, man. You guys like, comment, subscribe. If you're new tuning into the channel, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, man, it's a new journey, man. 720 PB. All right? Yeah. Got the camera, nigga. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang. Let go.